Hello friends, welcome to the Passion of Life and welcome back to my kitchen. So today in this video I am going to share with you another baking recipe. Today I am going to bake cookies and that with white chocolate chips and dried cranberries. These are really crunchy and crispy cookies. So please watch this video till the end, try this recipe at home and leave your valuable comments in my video. So let's move on to the ingredients. So here is our all ingredients that we need to prepare our white chocolate chips and cranberry cookies. And now I'm going to mix everything in a big bowl and I'll tell the proper measurement. So in a big bowl, first we will take 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In this we will add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix it little and next we will add sugar. For these cookies we will use two types of sugar. First we will add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar you can use only white sugar. And next we will add 1/4 cup, that is 50 gram of granulated sugar, granulated white sugar. So if you don't have the brown sugar you have to add the total amount of white sugar. So mix everything and now we will add one large egg in this mixture and mix it. And next we will add the two main ingredients, that is dried cranberries and white chocolate chips. So we need 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips and 3/4 cup of dried cranberries. So here is our dried cranberries, just add it, and here is our 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips. So these are all dry ingredients. Now mix everything and now we will add our last ingredient, that is butter. I am using unsalted sweet cream butter, 3/4 cup of unsalted sweet cream butter. And if you don't have unsalted butter you can use salted butter as well, or you can use vegetable oil. So add little butter and may try to make a nice and soft cookie dough. So in this way we will prepare our cookie dough, and if you want you can keep this dough in refrigerator for at least 3-4 days, and whenever you like you can just bake the cookie, fresh cookie. Or right now I'm going to cover it and keep it in refrigerator for at least an hour, then I will bake the cookie. So before bake the cookie we must have to keep the dough in the refrigerator for about an hour or more than that to set the dough. So just cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in refrigerator. And now after almost an hour I am setting the cookie tray with the parchment paper. Just place a parchment paper in the cookie tray and here is our dough is ready. So just place the small and equal amount of portion in the cookie tray and keep little gap in between two cookie doughs so it get enough space to expand and not get stick to each other. It looks really nice. These cookies are really crunchy and crispy, so please try this at home. If you don't have the cranberries you can use some other dry fruit as well. So here is our cookie tray is almost ready. Now I will put it in a preheated oven, that is 350 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven, that equals to 177 degrees centigrade, and there I will bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. It's not done yet, and after 14 minutes I am checking it. Yes, now it's done. So I am taking the tray out from the oven. Look, it's so beautiful. Nice smells coming, fresh baking smell. And here is our cranberry and white chocolate chips cookie. And now I will show you the other side of the cookie. Yes, it's perfectly baked from other side also. So here is our cranberry and white chocolate chips cookies are ready. Freshly baked cookie, and you can enjoy it with your tea and coffee. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Please try this at home and leave your valuable comments in my comments box. You can share my video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And look, here is a fresh cookie and how crispy it is, how crunchy it is. It's nice smell coming out. So please try this recipe and leave your comments in comments box. Thank you. Bye.